Hey guys, welcome to a new weekly recap. And as always, you guys know the drill. I'm going to show you my trades, what setups I took this week, how was my performance this last couple of days, and we're going to just evaluate how I did so far and how I'm doing so far this year. So let's first start by checking my journal. I don't want to make this video very long, so let's get right into it. This is basically my week. So I took 9 trades in total and I finished the week in 5R in profit. So I took in total 9 trades. These are all my trades here with the screenshot, and we're going to review every single one of them. But as we can see, I had 4 losses, 3 take profits, and the rest were break-evens. So to be honest, it was a great week. 2 of these trades were trades that I basically took a long time ago, so around 2 weeks ago, and my TP and my stop loss got tagged or hit in this week, which were Euro GBP and Euro AUD, which is here. So one was take profit and the other one was a -1R. So a stop loss, bad in simple words, and in conclusion, it was a very, very good week. So let's dive into the markets and let me show you the setups. So first, NZD-CAD, I had 2 take profits, one right after the other one. So first this one, which was a very aggressive range. I like these ranges. And then after this take profit, basically the same pair created a new setup, also a long position. I took it as well, and it was also a take profit for a 1, 2, 3. So those were 2 take profits, and then we can see, so this is NZD-CAD and NZD-CAD, then CAD JPY. It was this one here, which was -1R, very similar, also same roles, you guys know, basically targeting in this case a 1, 2, 3 with a fair value gap and a break of structure following order flow, and it didn't work out, but that's all good. Then we have EuroCAD, which is this one here, also a stop loss. Then we have USD CHF. Currently waiting for this long position here, but the markets are already closed. But I took this short position and it was a -1R. Then we have Euro AUD, the one I told you guys that I basically took this trade on April 11th, but my take profit got hit this week, April 23rd, and it was a 1, 2, 3 risk reward, which is also very nice. Then we have NCD USD. This was very similar to NZD-CAD. Actually, they were correlated pairs. I managed them as correlated pairs, and NCD-CAD ended up working out perfectly for a 1, 2, 3 risk reward, so take profit. But NCD USD, unfortunately, price never reached my take profit, and it was a break even. Then we have we have Euro USD in this case. I took it and it was a break even. When price reached my 101, you guys know that I moved my stop loss to break even, and then price immediately went back and stopped me out at break even. So we didn't lose in this trade, but we also didn't win. And then Euro GBP, we took this trade very like in similar times as Euro AUD, but this one was a stop loss. Price consolidated in our area a lot. Unfortunately, swaps were very high in this position. So fortunately, we were able to get stopped out not that long. It took us around 2 weeks here. So it was a -1R in this case on Euro GBP. So those were basically the trades we took this week. As we can see, a very good week so far, 5R. And if we go to our data analytics, in this case, there's our dashboard, we can see that we're up 15R for the year with a 30% win rate. And we can see that our equity curve is going back again to our previous point before our big losing streak on March. So we're climbing back in equity and we're performing and executing our plan consistently, which is honestly very good. Then if we see, you guys know that I use Miro to organize my pending orders and basically organize my prop firms, my challenges and everything, considering that I'm trading multiple accounts at the moment. And this is how it's like every single one of my accounts is doing so far. So my phase 1 on Alpha Capital is 4% up. Then another phase 1 on Alpha Capital is -3.2%. So it's in drawdown. Then I have a 25K account that if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I had this account almost close to get blown. So it was like in -8%. And then we were able to climb this account back to break even. And now we're 2.8% in profit. So let's see if we're able to pass the phase 1 of this 25K account. And then I have 2 funded accounts at the moment. So the Fivers, it's -2.21% in drawdown. And then my FTMO funded, it's in -0.5%. So honestly, we're doing great. Let's see if we're able to pass these two accounts that are the ones that are closer to get past, to be able to pass my phase one. So we'll see what happens. And also I want to just show you, to keep everything more transparent, show you everything as well. So this is the account I'm telling you. So this one is the one that it's 4% in profit. This one is the one that it's minus 3.2% in drawdown. This one, then we have on the Fivers. This one I already blow it, and I posted a story as well as a reel in my Instagram showing that I blow this account. So as you can see, minus 10%. So this was a blown account, 10K account. But then we have our funded on the Fivers, which is this one that, as I said, it's minus 2.21%, and we can see it here. Instead of being 20K, it's $19,558, which is, as I said, a minus 2.21%. And then we have our funded account in FTMO that I recently got tagged on a trade. I'm going to show you in a second. But it's, as I said, minus 0.5% in drawdown. So if we go here, we can see that we're, instead of being 10,000, we're 9,950, which is minus 0.5%. So those are basically accounts. And the trade I just took, which of course I'm going to update you guys in the next video and in my Instagram as well, in my stories, and basically as I always do. But this is the trade I just recently got tagged on AUD NZD, targeting this lows, 1, 2, 3, same rules, waiting for price to reach my 101 to be able to move my stop loss to break even. So that was basically the update and the weekly recap for this week. We're doing great, very good performance, and let's keep executing our plan. Let's keep doing the same thing over and over again. And as always, showing you everything as transparent as it gets. So if you guys want this trading journal, as always, you can grab it in the link down below of this video. And as always, if you enjoyed this weekly recaps and you want to keep seeing these videos, let me know in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.